Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited money in car parking multiplayer 2. So this is basically going to get you unlimited money and all the cars, everything unlocked. And it is super simple working on iOS and Android in 2025. So if we just scroll down and check the in-app purchases, you can see coins are super expensive. Game money is really expensive as well. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited game money, unlimited coins, and allow you to completely dominate car parking multiplayer 2. It does also work on car parking multiplayer 1. The same process. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. You need to make sure your low power mode is turned off, and this is working on iOS and Android, so it doesn't matter which device you have. Then you need to open up the internet. I'm using Safari here. Doesn't matter which internet browser you choose. Go to www.wavyplugin.com. So Wavy plugin, spell it like this, guys. This is a modded app store here. Go to the search bar at the top, search for what you're looking for. In this case, we're looking for car parking. I'm just going to fully type it in like this, and it should pop up. So there's the car parking multiplayer 1. We're interested in the car parking multiplayer 2 plugin, unlimited free money and everything unlocked. So basically, guys, this is going to be a modded version of the game. It's going to sit on your device, and you can play the game fully with everything unlocked. So this is going to basically load up, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. I've already done this mod, but basically that is all you need to do. So go to Wavy plugin, find the car parking multiplayer 1, multiplayer 2, and that is how to get unlimited money in game. Sorry guys, I'm trying to type looking through my camera. There you go, just basically find that one, guys. And yeah, that is going to save you so much money. I was literally buying coins and money in this game until I found this method. So yeah, this is the easiest method working in 2025. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Smash the like button if you got your free money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.